Class 3 Computer Chapter 3 The Keyboard. Some special keys on the keyboard continued. Today we are going to learn about two special keys used to erase the things from the keyboard on the screen, that are backspace key and delete key. They both are used to erase anything from the screen. Here, first of all, delete key. Here you can see on the keyboard that delete key is present over here above the arrow keys and on the numeric keypad also. It's present and written DEL as short form of delete key. Delete key is used to erase the characters on the right side of the cursor. Let's have a look with an example. Here I have written a sentence, I am a good girl. Now, if I want to delete good, so I have to bring the cursor before good, because delete key erases towards the right side. I have to use delete key and it erases like this, right side. So I have to bring my cursor before the word which I want to delete. Now if I press del key, that is delete key, it will erase good like this. So this is delete key. And now backspace key. Backspace key, as you can see here, it is present above the enter key. The left arrow you can see, this is the backspace key. Backspace key always deletes towards the left side of the cursor. Again with example we can see, like in the second line, I am a bad boy. I have to delete this word bad. So I have to bring my cursor after bad, because backspace key every time erases towards the left hand side. Now if I press this backspace key, it will erase the word towards the left side. In this way, both the keys delete and backspace are used to erase anything on the screen. Only the difference between both are that delete key always erases towards the right hand side of the cursor and backspace key always erases towards the left hand side of the cursor. Next is ESC, escape key. ESC stands for escape, and this key is used to stop the running program on the screen. Next are function keys. You can see function keys are present on the top of the keyboard. They are labeled as F1, F2, F3 and so on till F12. So all these keys are known as function keys and they are used for doing some specific task on the computer. Next is control key. You can see control key CTRL. CTRL is the short form. It stands for control key. They are present on both sides of the spacebar key. They are 2 in number and they are used with other keys to do some specific task. For example, if we have to copy or paste any work, we use Control and C for copy, Control and V for pasting the work. So control key always works with another key on the keyboard. Next is ALT, Alt key, ALT. As you can see here, ALT key is also present 2 in number on the keyboard on both the sides of the spacebar key. ALT key stands for alternate key and it is also used with other keys to do some specific task. That's all for today.